and go.
Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Star Wars gun tower. First, you get your tall spinny bit. Push it on the green board. Get these two. They're a type of seat that I use for lots of different things. You put your seats on. See that?
Just come over here, Cecilia.
And then you get this. You put it there. No, wait. Huh? Yeah, there. Pickles.
Please don't lean away.
My pieces. Okay. That's pretty annoying sometimes. You put it on. Get this piece and this piece. They're my circular guys. That's the front, that's the back. You put their fronts into those holes. They're pretty hard to push in, okay? And then you put that there, and then put the grate on. Then it's time for the guns. This will go on the bottom. These are the straight blasts. These are the wide blasts. Wait. What are you doing here?
You can just leave it out.
And that's what it looks like when you're done with the wide gun. Make two of each. Put wide gun up top. Get single blast. Put it. Wait. Then you get this. Put it on.
Oh, Cecilia, stop. Oh my goodness.
Mine.
Go in another room.
No. Then
Don't move that around.
you put it. Then you put that there. Something that always happens. Then you get the other one. And then that's it.
Wow. Should I get a close up?
Where's big? Single.
Any closing remarks?
And if you didn't see this, well, I didn't even show you, so I bet you didn't see it. There's some cracks there.
Oh, yeah. Do those serve a purpose? Do they have a function?
Nope.
Decorative?
They're for nothing.
Oh.
And see that hole?
Mm-hmm.
That lets air go through to that side, then to that side, then to that side. These are pretty useful pieces.
Yeah. Okay, should we say bye-bye?
Bye. Oh, and just to let you know, those are what I used on those. That's how many big circles I used on the tram. Bye.